Hi and welcome to my video. In this video I want to show you how you can create custom CSS code for your WordPress website with the help of ChatGPT. So yeah, what is CSS code? So CSS code defines the behavior of an object like an image or text or something like this. So you have on a normal website, so you have the HTML code that yeah, you write something in HTML, a text for example, or you define an image in HTML, and the CSS code that defines how the image is presented or how the text is presented and how an image or a text should behave. So, and in this video I want to show you how to make cool CSS animations for images especially, and yeah, with the help of ChatGPT. So since ChatGPT is a thing, it's really simple to come up with new ideas for CSS animations, and it's really quick. So normally you have to search on the internet for a specific CSS code that you want to implement in your website for an image or something like this. So, and now I want to show you how this works with ChatGPT. So, and for this example, I have here my little website, and this website is built with Elementor. So now I want to show you how to do this. I go and edit the website with Elementor, and you don't need to have Elementor Pro. The normal Elementor version is enough for this, because when we want to insert an image, then we have to specify the CSS class of this specific image, for example, and this we can do in the normal Elementor. If you want to download Elementor Pro, you can do this. I have a video on my channel how you can download Elementor Pro for free. If you are interested in this, then go to my channel and check out the video. Okay, now let me show you how this works. So let us insert here an image real quick. Go here and grab an image, put this image here, and choose an image. And for this example, let's use this little dude here. Okay, it's a little bit large, make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, this is great. So now this is a plain image. This image does nothing, and it's yeah, there. And now we want to add a little bit of animation to this image. Then we go to the image, and then we go to advanced. And under the advanced tab here, you can see you can define the CSS class for this object. And now we are going to ChatGPT, and yeah, here you can I use of course the free version of ChatGPT. You don't have to use the paid one. The free version is more than enough. So now let's type something in here. Please print out a custom CSS code for my WordPress website that makes an image, for example, shake. Please give me only the CSS code. Otherwise, I think ChatGPT would give you the whole HTML code, but we don't need this because we only want to have the CSS code. So then we click on OK. And now the cool thing is that ChatGPT gives us the exact code, and he also explains us how to insert this in our website. Okay, here you can see the animation, the keyframe for the shake animation is this. this part here, and this is this defines our image. So now we have to copy this image shake. Copy this, and then we go to our Elementor, and then this is the class, yeah, and then we paste it in here without the dot in front. So image shake is now the CSS class, and then we go on update, or we press update, and then we go, now it's updated, then go to the website. Let's refresh our website here, and let's see if the image is there. There is the image, and then we have to go to customize, and now we want to add the specific code. Then we have to go, or we wait until the website is finished loading. There it is. Now we go to additional CSS, and now we want to paste in the whole code. Now we go back to ChatGPT, then we copy the whole code, and we go back here, and then we paste it in here, and now you can see the our little guy here is shaking around. Then we can go to publish. Close this. And there he is. And I want to show you another example. So let's go back to Elementor. Let's make a new image. Put an image here. Select a new image. Let's take this cool basketball here. Select. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So there it is. Now let's head over back to ChatGPT. And then let's copy this here so we don't have to write it again. Paste it in here. Now for example, please print out a custom CSS code from my WordPress website that makes an image shake, comma, only when I hover over the image with my mouse, for example. Let's do this. Let's see what he gives us back here. Okay, this is the animation again. Okay, and now he adds the information, the hover information. So now we can copy this again, but without the hover. And let's make it copy this and go back to Elementor. And now we go to advanced. Now we paste it in here. Oh, what I have done. I didn't copy this. Again. Copy, paste it in here, but now I will do, because this is the same image class as this guy, now we make hover. Okay, and then we click on update. We have to remember that we put a hover at the end. So now we can go to the website, we can refresh the website. Let's see if our guy or basketball is there. There it is. Now we can go again to customize. Okay, there's our basketball. Then we can go again to additional CSS. Now we go make a new line, and then we go back here to ChatGPT, and then we copy the whole code. Go back here, and then we have to paste it in here again. But now we have to add this hover code. And now you can see when I go with my mouse over the image, then it begins to shake. So yeah, you can do then publish. you can do almost everything. You can be very creative. You can do everything you can imagine, and you can put into ChatGPT. You can print out as a CSS code and implement it. So let us do another one. So back to image. Well, let us choose a new image. Now let's take the football here, make it smaller. Let's make please print out a CSS code that makes the image spin 360 degrees. Print out the CSS code. Wait, let's define it a little bit more. Please print out a CSS code that makes the image spin 300 infinite. Let's press enter here. Let's see what he gives us. Okay, rotate. Yeah, of course. So this is the code. This is our class, our image class. Let's copy the image class here. Go here, advanced. So you have to go to advanced and CSS class and put it in here. Image spin, perfect, updated. And now get back to the website, reload the website. Make sure everything is there. Yeah, there's our ball. So you can see the basketball is only shaking when we hover over with the mouse. That's good, exactly what we want. It's really cool what you can do with it. And then we go to customize. There it is. Additional CSS, make a new line, go to ChatGPT, then we copy everything, go here, then we paste it, and now you can see the ball is spinning. That's so cool what you can do with ChatGPT. So yeah, I think that's it for the video. I think you have understand what I want to told you in this video, that you can do literally every CSS code with the help of ChatGPT. So you no longer have to search the web, so you can do everything, blur images or make it black and white, and yeah, you can do all kinds of animation, and it's really fun to play around with. You can check it out. Go to ChatGPT, put in some words, or think about some cool animations you can do with it, and yeah, then yeah, you can play around with it. Just remember, you have to put in the you have to define the CSS class, and then the rest, or the whole code, you put in the customizer into additional CSS, and yeah, I think it's really fun to play around with. And yeah, that's it for the video. So if you found the video informative, then give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about it, then drop a comment in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer your questions as fast as I can. And I would appreciate it if you give me or if you subscribe to my channel, because I will do more and more videos about this type of content. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.